Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar yen just kept on pushing up. It didn't make that bigger pullback like I was thinking it would. I was thinking this was going to be a bigger ABC before it actually pushed up. The fact that it pushed up so hard so fast makes me think that it's not even an ABC, that it's actually a 1, 2, 3. If it is a 1, 2, 3, it's probably going to target at least this area up here, someplace around the 150 to maybe like 150.6 area for a wave 3, probably potentially like a wave 4, and then eventually a wave 5. Because this is definitely not really looking like a 3-wave ABC pattern like I was originally thinking. Maybe it's some kind of like a hybrid flat, because a wave C within a flat should be a 5-wave pattern, but it's pretty hard to make out this as some sort of a flat pattern, so we'll see what it turns into. Could be just like an expanding WXYXZ pattern before it actually continues down. So long story short, I would definitely still be recommending longs on the sort of time frames, at least taking out these highs, see how it reacts there, and then potentially going up to the 123 or the 138 for a wave 3, 4, and 5. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.